Another great feature that Builderall offers is their unlimited magazine builder. You can create your own digital magazines and as well as your own digital newsletters. And these can be used for yourself or to offer to other clients. And it's a great way to offer a lead magnet, a free subscription to get email to build your email list. Also, you can sell these, so you can build out a full page, multi-page ebook as well as magazines, and these can be used to get clients, get more email signups, or also to sell your affiliate products. And the great thing about the builder within Builderall is they offer multiple. Actually, you can build unlimited magazines and newsletters. So whether you're building it for yourself or other clients, it's a great way to get clients yourself and to make money either way. If you'd like a 14-day trial to Builderall, I'll have a link in the description. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.